Welcome everyone to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we'll guide you through a typical restaurant conversation, perfect for beginners. Sarah, why is practicing these scenarios so important for language learners?
Thanks, Alex. Dining out is a common situation, whether you're traveling or living abroad. Learning these conversations helps build real-life confidence and teaches you essential vocabulary and phrases you'll use every day.
Absolutely, and to help listeners feel comfortable, we'll break down each step. We'll also pause for pronunciation and explain key expressions. Ready to play our roles and get started, Sarah?
I'm ready. I'll be the friendly waiter, and you'll be the customer. Let's walk our listeners through a genuine restaurant encounter using slow, clear English for everyone.
Let's begin. Imagine you walk into a restaurant. What's the first thing you say? Sarah, as the waiter, what would you hear from a new guest?
Most guests politely say, "A table for one, please." This phrase is clear and respectful. You can adjust the number a table for two, for example, depending on your group.
Great tip. Notice the use of please. It's a simple word, but it shows politeness. Listeners, try repeating. A table for one, please? Now, Sarah, how do you respond as the waiter?
I'd reply, "Of course, right this way." This is a typical, friendly response. In English-speaking cultures, using polite, welcoming language is part of good service.
Now that the customer is seated, the next step is getting the menu. Sarah, what's a polite way to ask for it?
You could say, "May I see the menu?" Or, "Could I have a menu, please?" Both use modal verbs may and could, which make requests softer and more polite.
I like that. Using modal verbs is a small change, but makes English sound much friendlier. Listeners, let's practice. Could I have a menu, please? Sarah, what would you say in reply?
I'd answer, "Certainly, here you are." This shows promptness and politeness. It's common for waiters to hand you the menu with a smile and this phrase.
Menus can be confusing, especially with words like starter or main course. Sarah, can you explain these sections for our listeners?
Sure. Starters, also called appetizers, are small dishes served first. Main courses are the largest part of the meal like chicken, pasta, or steak. Desserts are sweet treats at the end.
That's clear. Sometimes menus include symbols for vegetarian or spicy dishes. If you're unsure, you can always ask the waiter for details. Sarah, is it okay to ask about menu items?
Absolutely. Waiters are happy to help. You can say, "What does this dish include?" Or, "Is this vegetarian?" It's normal and shows interest in your meal.
Now, let's say you're not sure what to order. How can you ask the waiter for suggestions in a natural way?
Try saying, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's today's special?" These phrases invite the waiter to share popular dishes or chef specials, helping you make a choice.
That's helpful, especially if the menu is long. Hypothetically, if I ask, "What do you recommend?" what might you answer as a waiter?
I'd say, "Our grilled salmon is very popular." Or, "The pasta primavera is a customer favorite." Sharing recommendations is common and can improve your dining experience.
After choosing, it's time to order. Sarah, what's the most polite way to start an order?
Begin with, "I'd like to order," or "Could I have?" For example, "I'd like to order the chicken salad," or "Could I have a glass of water, please?" This keeps your request friendly and clear.
It's interesting how these forms sound both confident and polite. Listeners, try saying, "I'd like the tomato soup, please." Sarah, what's a typical waiter response after an order?
I'd respond, "Certainly. Would you like anything to drink with that?" This keeps the conversation flowing and checks if you want to add to your order.
Mistakes can happen, so confirming the order is important. If you don't understand something, what should you do, Sarah?
Don't hesitate to ask. You could say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Is the soup vegetarian?" Confirming details avoids surprises and ensures you get what you want.
Great advice. As the waiter, after taking the order, how would you confirm it?
I'd repeat the order back. So, that's 1 tomato soup and a glass of water. Is that correct? This helps both sides and is standard in many restaurants.
Let's talk about politeness. What are some phrases customers should use during the meal?
Phrases like, thank you, that's all, thank you, or could I have some more water, please? Show respect and make the interaction pleasant for everyone.
It's true small courtesies create a positive atmosphere. In English-speaking countries, saying please and thank you is expected, not just optional. Sarah, do you notice a difference when customers use these phrases?
Definitely. It encourages better service and makes the experience enjoyable for both customer and staff. Cultural etiquette like this helps you fit in wherever you dine.
After eating, it's time to pay. What's the standard way to ask for the bill in English?
You can say, could I have the bill, please? Or simply, check, please. Both are widely understood. Again, adding please keeps it polite.
And after paying, expressing thanks is important. A simple thank you, the meal was delicious, leaves a good impression. Sarah, any other tips for ending a meal smoothly?
A friendly goodbye, have a nice day, is always appreciated. In some countries, tipping is common, so check local customs. It's a nice way to show gratitude for good service.
Before we finish, let's practice pronunciation. Emphasize the soft th in thank you and the clear th in please. Listeners, repeat after us. Could I have the bill, please?
Good job. Practicing these sounds makes your English clearer and more natural. For today's speaking challenge, try ordering your favorite meal out loud using the phrases we covered.
That's a fantastic way to build confidence. Remember, real progress comes from practice. Review these phrases, repeat them, and soon you'll feel at home in any English-speaking restaurant.
Thank you for joining us. Tune in next time for more real-world English conversations. Until then, happy practicing and happy dining.